Today we will be showing you how to make a cheap and easy Greek chicken kebab known as chicken Souvlaki. We will begin by looking at our spice mixture that we will marinate our chicken in. This being 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried mint, cumin, coriander, paprika and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use fresh for both the mint and coriander, but we use dried. We're going to serve ours with some folded flatbreads, however you can eat these with just salad. Also using extra virgin olive oil in the marinade, some Greek yogurt, some chicken thighs. We use these as we believe these are tastier and also more importantly they are cheaper than chicken breast. Some diced cucumber, which when combined with the Greek yogurt will make a tzatziki sauce. Around 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, which will be used in the marinade, some optional feta cheese, and a whole lemon. Now the method. We begin by putting all of the spices into a bowl with diced chicken thighs, then adding our minced garlic. We then squeeze the juice of a whole lemon into the bowl with the spices and chicken thighs, followed by 2 to 3 large tablespoons of olive oil, and then simply just mix it all together. We then set aside the chicken to marinate for around an hour, but you can leave up to 3 hours. While this is marinating, we're going to soak our wooden skewers in water so that when we put them under the grill they will not burn. Once the chicken is finished marinating, we're going to place pieces of chicken onto a wooden skewer and place it onto a grill rack. Now grill on a high heat for around 15 to 20 minutes, pulling out halfway through and turning. At the halfway point, also baste with some olive oil, and then finish grilling until they're completely cooked. We served ours on top of flatbread with some salad and tzatziki sauce. This sauce is simply just Greek yogurt mixed with some cucumber, dried mint and a little bit of lemon juice. And there you go, an incredibly student friendly, tasty and cheap chicken kebab meal. A meal that could very easily become a weekly routine for any student. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe and check our social media handles in the description below.